Today, I'm going to show you how I make $11,470 a month with just $500 using something called a funded account. And the best part is, I don't have to risk my savings or jump through unrealistic hoops or trade for 12 hours a day. So if you're tired of flipping small accounts, blowing your own money, or watching other people make tens of thousands of dollars a month, this is the video that changes that. I'm breaking down exactly how funded accounts work, what they are, how I use them to hit consistent payouts, and I'll be giving you the best prop firm to use in 2026. So first of all, if you're new to the concept, let me explain exactly how prop firms work. So a prop firm, or a funded account, as you might hear some people say, essentially just lets you pay a fee, for example, $500. And once you pay that fee, you're allowed to take a challenge. And simply what that challenge phase is you have to hit certain profit targets without losing a certain amount of money. Essentially, this is what allows prop firm owners and the companies to know that you actually know how to trade. And then once you pass that challenge by, let's say, hitting that profit target, let's say, for example, if you have a $100,000 account and you have to hit $106,000 in profit without losing $3,000 first. Once you do that, prop firms then give you access to these funded accounts to actually trade with. And usually the trading accounts start at around $25,000 all the way up to $150,000 for you to actually trade with. But here's the caveat. With prop firms, you're not trading your own money. You're not putting up 25K or 100K or 150K. You're literally trading the prop firm's money. And then in return, when you make money trading their accounts, you get to keep a large percentage of it, usually between like 80 or 90%, depending on whatever prop firm you actually go with. So let's say you're trading a $100,000 account and you make $12,000 in profit on this $100,000 account. If the prop firm gives you a 90% profit split, you get to keep $10,800. And that's real money that's going straight to you, straight to your bank account. You can pay rent with it, buy sneakers, do whatever you want. And the best part is, you didn't have to risk your own capital to get it. That's really the power of a prop firm. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I don't care how good you are. If you're trying to scale trading on your own with just $500 inside of an account, it's going to be way more than a struggle. You're gonna have to flip it again, and then hope that you don't lose, because honestly, one red day can take out all the wins that you spent months getting or weeks getting. It's honestly a really dangerous game. But utilizing prop firms completely changes that. They give you that buying power, they give you the leverage, and they give you a safety net to be able to actually scale with your trading. Because if you blow the account, you don't lose your life savings. If you had a $100,000 account, you lose $5,000. You don't owe them $5,000. You don't have to pay them $5,000. The only money out of pocket that you would have lost was that initial fee that you paid when you first purchased that funded account. The cool thing is that if you do end up blowing that funded account that they give you, you can honestly just pay like a small fee, a couple $100, and you're able to reset the account to the starting point that you were at before. So as you can see, this is something that can really change the way that you trade. And honestly, it's allowed me to be able to make way more money without having to risk my own money. Now, let's break down exactly how I'm able to make 5 figures a month trading these funded accounts with actual numbers, real numbers and real analogies. So for example, let's say that I'm trading a $100,000 funded account with the prop firm, the EdgeFunderer. Now, me as a trader, I never take anything that's less than a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if I'm risking $750 per trade, every win that I make makes $1,500. So let's say for the month that I took 22 trades in that month. That's roughly about 1 trade per day, taking some days off. And let's say the strategy that I'm trading has a 60% win rate. This is what it looks like. If I had a 60% win rate and I took 22 trades, that means I had 13 wins and I had 9 losses. If I had 13 wins times the 1,500, because I'm always winning a 2-to-1, that means I made $19,500 in profit. But we have to subtract the losses, because I did have 9 losses with this analogy, and every loss is $750. So that comes out to $6,750 in losses. So now if we subtract the losses with the profit, that means my net monthly profit is $12,750 trading this prop firm that again cost me $500. Now, again, we have to remember that profit split because we do have to give some to the prop firm. So let's say the prop firm I traded with has a 90% profit split. My take home is $11,475. That's over $10,000 in my pocket, trading literally 1 setup per day risking somebody else's capital and not having to use my own savings to trade with. Now, as I said, this is what makes it so powerful. I didn't have to fund the 100K out of my own pocket. I didn't have to risk blowing up my own cash. I didn't have to risk my kids' college tuition. My only risk was that initial fee that I paid in the beginning, which was a few $100 to then get access to that capital that I traded with. And then worst case scenario, if I messed up, I can just pay to reset it and try again. But as you can see, when it does work out, that's $11,475 in my pocket that I can take out and do whatever I want with. And as I said, all I did was pay a few $100 to leverage somebody else's capital. And I combined that with my strategy, my risk management, and the skills that I've got as a trader to be able to leverage it drastically. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This is all just hypothetical stuff. This is not real. There's no way this is real. To prove that this is not just theory and prop firms actually do work, as you can see on the screen right now, I just cashed out over $18,000 this month trading one funded account, one strategy. Nothing crazy. This wasn't some lucky run. It wasn't taking a bunch of risky trades or trying to flip a $500 account to $100 million. It was simply just me following my system, the same strategies that I trade every single day. I managed my risk and I just consistently showed up day after day using other people's money and leveraging other people's money to be able to take this $18,000 payout. This shows you that funded accounts are not a scam. They're not a maybe thing, and they're not just for advanced traders. Many of my students inside my inner circle are getting the same types of payouts. Regardless if you've been trading for 8 years, 2 years, 1 year, 6 months, having a prop firm can be extreme benefit to you as long as you're consistent with your trading, because utilizing and leveraging prop firms is a way for actual traders to generate serious income if they're able to treat it like a business, regardless if you have limited capital and you don't have a bunch of money to put into your own account. Now, let me give you the game on why trading with a prop firm is 10 times better than using your own money. And I've done both for the past 8 years, so I can speak from this. So let's say I've got $5,000 of my own money to trade with, and I want to grow that and I want to make like $2,000 or $3,000 a month. To do that, I got to make 40 to 60% every single month on my capital, consistently and without blowing my account up. That's an extreme amount of pressure. That's risking way too much per trade. It's honestly the definition of playing with fire. Now, let's say instead of trading my $5,000, I spend $500 or $600 on a prop firm account, and I now have access to trade with $100,000 or $150,000 account. And the only risk for this entire period is the amount that I paid for the prop firm. So I'm not risking my $5,000 any month. And the worst case scenario, if I lose the account, I can pay a small fee of a couple $100 to reset it back to the initial starting point and keep it pushing. But the best case is I make 3, 4, 5% on that account per month, and I'm able to pocket and take home $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 from that initial $500 investment. Now, if you think about it, this is literally what wealthy people do, regardless if you're trading or in any other industry. If you're buying real estate, what do all the rich people tell you to do? They tell you to use other people's money. Prop firms is how us as traders use other people's money to make money. Now, a cool secret and trick that I do when I'm trading these prop firms is I'm actually able to have multiple of these funded accounts, for example, 5. And what I can do is I can simultaneously trade all of them using an automatic trade copier, which simply means that if I take a trade on one of my funded accounts, it'll automatically copy that same trade to my other funded accounts, and I'm able to basically 5x the amount of money that I was making by literally doing the same amount of work. So technically, like I said, I can pay $500 for 5 accounts, total out of pocket $2,500. And in that same analogy we used before where I pocketed over 11K, I could have 5x that by literally doing no more work because the trades are automatically being copied to my other accounts. Now, I have to be honest. I mentioned before that most of these prop firms make you pay and then you prove to them that you know how to trade by kind of forcing you to jump through some crazy hoops, pass some crazy challenge phases, or follow some strict rules before you even get the chance to trade an actual account. Meaning you pay that $500 and then you have to spend 2-3 weeks trying to pass that account and hope you don't blow that account to then have to pay to buy another account. It's a whole kind of game that a lot of prop firms have where they put some crazy rules where you never actually get access to that actual account to trade with. Because remember, you're paying that $500 to take the challenge. You need to pass the challenge to actually be able to get that trading account to take payouts from. And realistically, most people get stuck on that challenge part because they just can't pass the challenge phase by following these made up or crazy rules that these other prop firms have. And if I'm being honest, I had a huge problem with that, and that's exactly why I created the EdgeFunderer. I was extremely tired of watching good traders struggle to pass these challenge phases, or worse, they pass the challenges only to blow their account before they ever see a payout. And it's not that these traders can't trade, it's that the system of the prop firm is built to burn them out. So as I said, I wanted to build something different, something that actually helps traders get to the money, something that has no games, that has no pressure to be perfect for 10 straight days or to follow 100 million rules. It's just real capital, real opportunity, and rules that support you and not trap you. Because I know more than anybody what's possible if you can give a focused and a good trader the right resources. So with my prop firm, the EdgeFunderer, there's no challenge phases, meaning you pay that $500 and you instantly get access to the account to trade with to get payouts from. It's instant funding. As I mentioned, you instantly get access to trade with that capital. You can choose from accounts from $25,000 accounts to $50,000 to $100,000 to $150,000 accounts, and you get to keep up to 90% of the profits that you make on it. And being part of the EdgeFunderer, because it is a prop firm made by a trader for traders, you get access to our private Discord that has coaches, has other funded traders in it. You get market breakdowns, you get a bunch of support to help you get to your payouts, which is the most important part of this. At the EdgeFunderer, we pay out extremely fast, with all of our payout approvals averaging under 2 hours, meaning you make money and you request your payout. We're not going to sit around for 2 days not paying you. We want to pay you because you have earned it. We give you all the rules up front. There's no hidden fees. There's no hidden loopholes. There's no hidden rules. We just want you to win, because honestly, when you win, we grow. My prop firm is actually built for serious traders who actually want to grow. It's not for people who are not trying to take trading serious and not be able to start making real payouts from trading. All right, breaking news. I'm cutting into this video to give you guys the huge announcement that the EdgeFunderer finally has TradingView charts to trade from, meaning you don't have to learn any new platform. You can trade exactly directly from TradingView charts inside of our dashboard. This has been something we've been working on for over a year, and we are finally live, and I wanted to let you guys know about it. To celebrate, you can use code START20 right now for 20% off any new account. Be able to trade straight from TradingView charts, so you don't have to learn a whole new platform. It's extremely smooth trading. Super excited about it, as you guys can tell, but let's get back to the video. Look, as of right now, you've got two options. You can either keep trading these small accounts and stressing over every entry, hoping that you don't blow your last $200, or you can finally level up. You can trade with real capital, you get paid real profits, actual money, and you can stop playing this trading game on hard mode. The EdgeFunderer is here to help you. I'll leave a link for it inside the description of this video. There's no challenge phases, there's no waiting, just instant capital to pair with your trading to allow you to grow. So if you've got the skill and the discipline and the hunger to succeed, we've got the funding to match it. Click the link inside the description of this video, pick your account, lock in your spot, and let's get you funded. Now look, having access to 6 figures in capital is the ultimate cheat code, as we've talked about inside of this video. But it only works if you actually have a proven system to back it up. You can have all the funding in the world, but if you're guessing on all of your entries, you're just gonna lose it all. And that's why I use my favorite scalping strategy. It's the same exact strategy that I used to secure that $18,000 payout that I showed you guys earlier in this video. It's simple, it's repeatable, and it's specifically designed to work with the risk parameters of a funded account. I've literally made an entire step-by-step guide right here to help you master that strategy. Like I said, the same one that made me that $18,000 payout. So it's honestly the best next step. Click this video right here, then try it out with your EdgeFunderer account, and let's get you one step closer to being able to get some consistent payouts using other people's money.